Everyone thinks the best-selling countertop and portable dishwashers are automatically the best options. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Sicily Sponge Holder.
First up, we have the Sicily Sponge Holder. This little organizer caught my attention because it's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality, priced at just $16.89. If you want to keep your sink area tidy and organized, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Sicily Sponge Holder features a rotatable spout, allowing water from your sponge to drain directly into the sink, meaning no more soggy countertops. It holds a detergent bottle and a sponge ball, while offering space for up to 4 brushes, perfect for small kitchens. With over 20,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many people find it helpful. Now, some people complained about it being a bit small for larger items. Here's the thing though, if you have a limited counter space, you'll appreciate its compact design. It's still a solid choice for keeping things organized without cluttering your sink. This is perfect for you if you're someone who values a clean sink area and has limited space. Skip this one if you need something that can accommodate larger kitchen tools. For the price, it's a great addition to your kitchen. Now, if the Sicily Sponge Holder's size concerned you, the next product offers a different approach with a more versatile design.
Product number 2, Art 3D Smoothing Toolkit. Continuing with our lineup, we have the Art 3D Smoothing Toolkit, priced at just $7.61. This caught my eye because it's not just another tool, it's a full-on kit for those DIY enthusiasts. If you want to make your peel and stick wallpaper projects look professional, this is worth a serious look. The kit includes a craft knife, 2 types of smoothing tools, and a measuring tape. Each tool is designed to help you tackle bubbles and creases with ease, which can be frustrating during application. This means you can achieve that seamless look without the hassle. Given that over 20,000 people have bought it recently, it's a testament to its usefulness. Now, I did notice some complaints about the knife being too sharp and not safe for kids, but honestly, that's a common issue with any sharp tool. If you're a DIYer who takes proper precautions,
product number 3, Tusia Waterproof Sealing Tape. Next up is the Tusia Waterproof Sealing Caulk Tape, available for $12.70. What stands out is its role in maintaining a clean and tidy space, especially in kitchens and bathrooms. If you're dealing with leaks or gaps, this is worth a serious look. The self-adhesive tape is designed to seal seams and corners effectively, measuring 1.5 inches wide and 10.5 feet long. It's made from high-quality PVC material and is flexible enough to fit any angle. This means no more worrying about water damage in those tricky spots. Plus, it has garnered over 8,000 purchases this past month, indicating a solid demand. However, some users mentioned that it doesn't stick well on uneven surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you have a smooth and clean surface, it works like a charm, and that's where you'll find its strength. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward solution for sealing leaks in your kitchen or bathroom. Skip this if your surfaces are uneven or prone to peeling. It's a good value for keeping your home tidy and protected. Now, if you're looking for something to help dry your dishes more effectively, the next product on our list is a great option.
Product number 4, Large Stone Dish Drying Mat from Linnet Cloud, priced at $40.66. This caught my attention with its elegant design and promise of quick drying. If you want to keep your countertops dry while adding a touch of luxury, this is worth a serious look. Made from diatomaceous earth, this mat absorbs water quickly and dries within seconds, meaning no more dampness on your countertops. The large dimensions of 24 by 16 inches are perfect for multiple dishes, while the small one can be used for utensils or as a soap mat. With its stylish dark gray marble pattern, it's not just functional, but also adds a nice aesthetic touch to your kitchen. Plus, it's already been popular, with over 3,000 purchases. That said, some users reported that dark liquids like coffee can stain the mat. I'll be real with you. If you're a bit careless in the kitchen, that could be a concern. But if you're careful and treat it well,
it can really elevate your drying game. This is perfect for you if you want a mat that's both stylish and functional. Skip this if you often spill dark drinks without a second thought. For its price, it's a lovely addition to keep your kitchen organized. Now,
Product number 5, J-Rex Countertop Organizer. Last but definitely not least, we have the J-Rex Countertop Organizer, priced at $29.58. This caught my eye because it's designed to maximize space in cluttered kitchens. If you need extra storage without taking up much room, this is worth a serious look. This 3-tiered organizer is movable, allowing you to adjust it based on your needs. It provides ample space for spices, utensils, or even bathroom items. With a rustic brown finish, it not only serves a purpose, but also looks pretty good on your countertop. It's been selling well, with around 3,000 units recently purchased. However, some users found it a bit tricky to assemble. But honestly, if you can follow instructions, it shouldn't take more than 8 minutes. Plus, once it's set up, you won't regret having that extra space. This is perfect for you if you're looking to declutter and organize your kitchen or bathroom. Skip this if you prefer a more permanent setup and want something heavier. For the price, it's a smart solution for better organization. So that wraps up our list of countertop and portable dishwashers. Each product has its strengths, whether it's organization, drying, or sealing, but they all aim to simplify your life in the kitchen. Product number 6, Best Pick. In conclusion, we've covered everything from the compact Sicily sponge holder to the versatile J-Rex countertop organizer. Each product has unique features that cater to different kitchen needs. So whether you're looking for organization, quick drying, or sealing solutions, there's definitely something here for you.